For the last 150k car challenge, we were tasked with securely fitting a child seat. And seeing as neither Sam or myself have kids, this was going to be interesting.
With Google feeling a bit apprehensive, I decided to bite the bullet and go first.
Okay, so this is a car seat for what I believe is a slightly older than out of the womb child. Let's see, perhaps a baby adult. I need to find the clips. How do parents do this? That is still not in. Jeez. Oh my goodness. There we go. I deem that safe.
After Sam's dismal attempt, I was hoping that my added years of wisdom would secure me the win. Have kids, they said, it'll be fun. Okay, the doors don't open wide enough, yeah? I'm gonna get these anchors in. Safety, check, and chicken.
I think you beat me.
I don't know, maybe.
That makes no sense.
I'll go check.
Okay, I'll check. I'm checking it out. You did a better job than me.
And that's the 150k car challenge. What should we do next?